Welcome to the Greatest Tamil Science program. Today we are going to discuss about one of the most divine and greatest gift by the ancient Tamil heritage, which is called the Sanjeevi. The word Sanjeevi means to revive. Sanjeevi is not a plant. Sanjeevi is an external application drug designed by Lord Agathier in the ancient days. It's an external application drug. We needn't have to call it as a drug. It is a beautiful medicine by itself, or it is a beautiful product by itself. Sanjeevi is not a plant, as I told you. Sanjeevi is a product which is made out of toxins. So we have already spoken about the great importance of mercury in our earlier program called Rasayanam. So Sanjeevi is a mercury based drug. Sanjeevi is a product which can be very effectively used for skin care. So most of the high value products in the field of medicine by the ancient Tamil heritage was done with many number of toxins. We have to here very carefully understand the word toxin. Toxin means, in Tamil it's called padanam. The meaning for that word padanam is iyakam. That is, toxin means function. Every toxin make things function. So if you take Sanjeevi, it has 6 components which you may call it as toxin. Mercury, sulfur, mercurous chloride, zinc sulfate, lead sulfide and copper sulfide. These are the 6 major toxins in this combination. So actually, as I told you, Sanjeevi is only the external application product. So Sanjeevi is one of the most brilliant products designed those days by Lord Agathier, which can be very effectively used for skin care. Today you have thousands and thousands of products in every country in the world for skin care, but not even one product will be 10% closer to Sanjeevi. I will explain you why. The most important part of our skin is the capillaries behind it. A capillary is the smallest blood vessel, which is 1/16th of a human hair. If you go through the YouTube and go to the dermis section and see the amount of capillaries beneath one square inch of skin, which will be alarming. Hundreds of them will be there. They supply nourishment to the skin and clear all the dirt. And microbiome. The second highest microorganisms live in our body is around the skin. So Sanjeevi, when you apply on the skin, Sanjeevi is a good friend of our blood. The blood starts rushing towards it as it is applied on the skin. As we go through our age factor 35-40 when we cross, the capillary flow beneath the skin, blood flow, tends to start reducing. The normalcy will be reduced, due to which our skin may not get nourishment, dryness, spots, loss of pigmentation here and there, spots and many things. Sanjeevi is the most wonderful, brilliant product. If you use Sanjeevi, all these things can be taken care. For example, if you take 10 to 12 drops in your hand and apply it on your face every day morning as you get up, your face skin will become so soft and smooth within a few weeks or a few months. You will not find any spots on your face, which is true. I've been handling this product in the last 23 long years, and I have given it to many of my relatives and friends, and they have all enjoyed that benefit. Once you are used to Sanjeevi for your skin care, it will be too difficult for you to live without that product, which is such a wonderful product. And the black ring beneath your eye, all those things can be eliminated. Sanjeevi is the most brilliant design by Lord Agathier, which is one of the highest skin care at any point of time, right from the day he designed that product till today. And I don't think so any product which is so beautifully designed to match the human chemistry to retain our skin to the topmost conditions. We will talk about the other features of Sanjeevi in the next program. Thank you.